Well, the deep chill across much of Canada means cities have to keep a close eye on the homeless. The dangers of hypothermia, even death, are very real. But in Montreal, there is outrage over how a police officer treated a panhandler. The interaction was caught on a cell phone. Catherine Cullen shows us the altercation and the reaction.
It is the bitter cold that's at the heart of this threat. About -40 yesterday with the wind. The panhandler with a Santa hat over his shoulder is in shorts and a t-shirt. He's warned by the officer that he's been too aggressive, that 4 people have complained. You have to listen carefully through the blowing, icy wind to hear what's said next.
Vous savez que c'est des menaces que vous n'avez pas le droit de faire, monsieur?
The man who took the video says the officer had already threatened to tie the panhandler to a pole at least once before he started filming.
It just gets me, like, to see people like this who needs help. Obviously not, they don't need to be treated like animals.
Almost as soon as the video surfaced online, Montreal's police force condemned the officer's behavior.
I'm not even trying to excuse what happened yesterday. For us, this is unacceptable. So we're not talking about lack of training. For us, it is really disciplinary matters.
Lafrenière says the officer in question will be meeting with his boss. He could face disciplinary action, though that decision won't be made public. As for the panhandler, police say he had a history of mental health problems. They say later that night, a specialized team was able to convince him to go to the hospital.